Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you a cool do-it-yourself project you can make from Bluetooth headphones. I happen to have one and it hasn't turned on for several years. We use a knife to open the headphone and remove the speaker and battery. We remove the tape from the battery, then desolder its wires. You also need to desolder the speaker wires. Now we remove the plug from the other side of the headphone and then take out the board. There is a button on the board and you need to disassemble it so that only the contacts remain. The wires that went to the speaker need to be unsoldered and then soldered to the contacts from the button. You also need to solder wires to the contacts through which the headphone was charged. This is how everything should turn out. Next, to revive the battery, you need to apply 5 volts directly to it. After waiting a few minutes, you can see that the battery already has some voltage. You'll also need a small case for the do-it-yourself project, and a case from a broken flash drive works well. You need to drill a hole in it. Now take a small tactile button and insert it into the hole, securing it with hot glue. Secure the headphone board inside the case as well. Next, solder the charging wires to the USB port and the button wires. Apply a little hot glue, secure the battery, and then solder the wires to it. Close the lid, and our homemade device is finished. Everything turned out so neat. Now we take the phone and turn on Bluetooth on it. Next, we press and hold the button on our device. As you can see, the board started up and connected to the phone. Next, we open the camera and see that with this button we can control it remotely. By pressing the button, the camera automatically takes a photo. You can also remotely start and stop video recording. But these aren't all the functions this homemade device is capable of. Go to the Play Market and install the MacroDroid app. With this app, you can assign absolutely any actions to the button, and you can also specify how many times you need to press the button for a particular action. For example, I set up turning the flashlight on and off with a single press. Press the button once, the flashlight turns on, press it again, it turns off. Everything works, even when the phone is locked. Now I'm setting up double press and specifying that the phone should call a certain number. You can set absolutely anything you want to this button, for example, sending some important file. As you can see, now you need to press the button twice for the phone to call, and again twice to end the call. As you can see, everything works perfectly. Next, I set up a triple press on the button to play music. This is the kind of remote Bluetooth controller I made, which by the way can be charged with a regular mobile phone charger. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching.